Many people dream about starting their own business, but not everyone wants to handle inventory, face early setbacks, or risk losing money before they even make their first sale. That's why more entrepreneurs are turning into luxury fashion dropshipping. And in 2026, it's more powerful than ever. It's not just a trend. It's one of the most practical and low-risk ways to build an online business. In this video, I'll walk you through why selling designer brands online without owning any inventory is one of the smartest ways to build a profitable online e-commerce business, and how you can start yourself with minimal effort. The global luxury e-commerce business is on a remarkable rise and needs to exceed over $200 billion in 2028, which is in the near future. And that is a clear sign that people are buying luxury online now more than ever. And here is where it gets interesting. You do not have to own a warehouse full of Gucci bags to profit from this wave. With dropshipping, you connect your online store directly to verified suppliers who handle storage, shipping, and fulfillment, while you focus on marketing and sales. By pairing your business with luxury fashion, you're positioning yourself in a premium market, one where customers appreciate value, spend more confidently, and perceive your brand as high-end from day one. Now, you might be wondering why not sell regular clothes? Well, let me tell you this. Fast fashion is oversaturated. Competing with $10 t-shirts is a race straight to the bottom. In other words, it's gonna take a while before you see any major profits. Luxury fashion is different. You're basically targeting buyers who want quality, exclusivity, and trust, not discounts. To put it like this, your average order can be up to 5 times higher, meaning you can make more profit per sale with fewer transactions. And not only that, luxury pieces do not simply fade overnight. A Dolce & Gabbana bag stays desirable over years, making this more of a long-term game than a quick win. At BrandsGateway, we make luxury dropshipping simple and straightforward. You get access to our catalog with over 800 designer brands like Gucci, Balmain, Versace, Michael Kors, you name it. All 100% authentic, sourced from verified European suppliers. You can easily connect to your Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce store in minutes and automatically sync over thousands of luxury items of your choice, all completed with product photos, description, and real-time stock updates. We have seen entrepreneurs growing their stores into 5 to 6-figure businesses using this model, and many have started with little to no experience. By focusing on the right market segment and working with trusted suppliers, you as a brand owner are able to concentrate on what really matters: building your brand and scaling your marketing. So if you've been waiting on the right moment to start your luxury fashion store, this is your sign to make it happen. Head over to BrandsGateway.com, explore our dropshipping program, and see how easy it is to launch your store with premium brands today. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for weekly insight, and comment below which store you want to build next. Because in the next few weeks, I will be breaking down exactly how to market, price, and scale your luxury e-commerce business step by step.